what is your hope for offering these three workshops? Is it complete? Is the series complete with these three?
Yes, with these three for now, yes, but it's giving me the idea of probably taking it into a retreat subject.
And what did you like? What was it your intention for women? Like, what did you hope they would action as a result of these three workshops?
Action,
Like, yeah, what change did you hope it would create for them, or yeah, anything that they would action in their own lives?
awareness about all this wounding and the reason why they have certain insecurities and certain behaviors in their life today that maybe they don't understand why, and they're just blaming themselves about it. And it I just mainly wanting to understand is coming from a place like there is a reason why those things are there, and then from there then do healing work. Everything is healing. Everything is healing. So wherever you are in your walk, in your awareness, in your consciousness, just keep going and healing in inner child, doing inner child healing, insecurities. Look at your insecurities. It's for more self-understanding. So it's for you to understand yourself better as a woman in this world that we live in now. And that's like the beginning of a different life for you, because the beginning is to see these things. Once you see these things and you can see different options or different possibilities, that's already created, that's in your mind already, that cannot be erased. Now it's up to you how far you want to take that vision, or how far you're going to go with your actions. But for me personally, the actions that I'm thinking taking after this is taking it into a retreat. That's what has come into me, because the more I did it and the more I spoke about these subjects, the more came out, and the more and more things to go into, and the more need of it I see in the whole world for every woman, or for so many women. So I think a retreat for women, just to step into their power and the freedom to free themselves. That's my hope for that. But for women, well, what did it do for you? At least these 3 sessions.
Yes, definitely what you said, awareness and self-understanding. I'd say I definitely experienced that. Also, I've mentioned this before, but I think for me personally, it feels so good to have a specific time carved out where you're actually like discussing this with women. It actually feels good. It makes me lighter.
Yeah,
Uh, and it
that
just,
is just women talking about women stuff.
yeah, because
Yeah.
women always put themselves last and never have time for themselves. And to even just make a time to be able to talk about that feels really good. It feels like you're releasing something. And so like you feel lighter after, and you feel like it's okay for me to spend time on this. This is part of healing. It's okay for me to,
Yeah.
just sit down and talk to women about women.
Yeah.
So
Imagine that. Exactly.